Have an American Standard 2-stage condenser I'm going to hook up. This is what we got going on here. We've got the lines coming down here. Got to whip them inside the condenser there, but I'm going to have them come across just below this gas line and come down. But it's a 2-stage American Standard. Alrighty, got the vacuum down to 275, which is good, and valve it off. The American Standard calls for 350, so we're good. 2-stage, got it all wired up here with some nice lugs. Run cap, 2-pole contactor, and then we have the for the 2-stage compressor, the rectifier, the little tiny rectifier. It's kind of nice. These go the compressor, then the blue and the blue red are for the rectifier, the 24 volts. It's kind of nice, that way it's not on the plug. So we're all good. 2-stage American Standard. 2-pole contactor. All you whiners that don't like the single pole contactor, we got the 2-pole contactor. The vacuum is holding. It is holding. We're good to go. We're gonna open her up. Looking good. We're on a low load actually, but I'm going to leave it like this for right now. Nice and quiet. There it is, the American Standard 2-stage 5-ton. It's all done. I just shut it off. It's too cold out, so, but that's what it looks like. I use the tabs to anchor down the condenser. Supposed to chop them off, but I wanted to save them. I think it looks nice that way. So the refrigerant piping actually goes down here, and I got it kicking out, and it actually goes straight back. Before it used to come down here, come down right here, go under the faucet, around to the other side. It was an old Linux, so I just did it this way. Try to keep it as neat as possible.